at the second annual McAllen Education Foundation bowling tournament. We have teams of 5 where we have teachers from all of our schools in the districts that have come to kind of show us their stuff.
I'd like to thank the McAllen Education Foundation, the board, along with all our McAllen ISD family for coming together for this good cause and raising monies for our students. All the proceeds of this tournament will go to help students from the McAllen Independent School District.
We raised upwards of about $150,000 this year, which is kind of a big deal. I didn't think that was going to happen for a bowling tournament, but I'm impressed. I'm from McAllen myself, so I'm very proud. Next year, we're looking to raise upwards of $250,000, which when I heard that, I said, psh, I didn't think that was going to be possible, but it looks like it is. We did 150 this year. Next year, 250. I'm all in. Next year, Gobble San Lucas.